those construction workers heard an animal screaming for help from underground. You won't believe what they found. It was a cute capybara stuck in there, so they had to help it out. It was scared and confused, but they handled the situation well and got her out.